Hi guys, I'm Leonard Limon. Hoping that you all have a good day today. Um, so welcome our video lesson, which is all about getting our marginal revenue and marginal cost. So ito yung ating sample problems. The marginal revenue of a company is given by MR is equal to 100 plus 20Q plus 3Q squared, where Q is the number of units sold for a period. Find the total revenue function if at Q is equal to 2. It is equal to 260. So, to find the total revenue function, we need to integrate the marginal revenue function with respect to Q. So, RQ 100 plus 20Q plus 3Q squared DQ. So, the definition of that is Q is equal to 100 Q plus 10Q squared plus Q plus C. Where is C is the constant. So how do we find C? We are given that R2 is equal to 260. So let's plug in the 260 Q2 and 260. 260 is equal to 100. Our Q2 plus 10 2 plus 2Q plus C 60 plus 200 plus 2 times 2 times 2 2Q8 plus C. Again, C is equal to 260 minus 248. C is equal to 2. So that's our C. So our total revenue function will be RQ is equal to 100 Q plus 10 Q squared plus Q3 plus 5. So that's our total revenue function. So here is our sample number 2. The marginal cost of manufacturing X yards of a certain fabric is C. Function of X is equal to 3 minus 0.01x plus 0.000006x squared in dollars per yard. Find the production cost. So to find the total production cost, we need to integrate the marginal cost function S integration of 3 minus 0.01x plus 0.1 plus 2x now is equal to 3x minus 0.01x 2 over 2 0 6 3 plus C 8 K or C 8 so 3x minus 0.005 x squared So our case is the constant. So okay, is the constant. P represents the fixed cost. So no units are produced. So we can K is equal to x is equal to 0. Therefore, our production cost function is Cx is equal to 3x minus 0.0005 x squared plus 0.000002 x cubed plus k. Example, let's say we want to produce 100 yards of rubbery. So C 100 is equal to 3 minus 0.05 100 squared plus 0.000002 100 squared plus cube pala cube is equal to 300 calculator 50 plus 2 plus k, so it's equal to 252 plus k. So we assume that k is equal to 0. So the cost producing 100 yards 100 yards is $252. The cost of 100 yards is $52. That's all. Hoping you learn. Thank you for watching.